Most welders know that welding fumes can be toxic. They know they should use a local exhaust ventilator hood for their own protection. You want to see whether he is using one, whether he's using it correctly, and whether it is moving enough air to be effective. You'll be able to visually check how the ventilation hood is performing with the aid of a ventilation smoke tube. The actual air velocity you measure with the anemometer in the usual manner. Measure and record the air velocity at various distances from the hood opening and, most importantly, at the area where the welding actually occurs.